Is your marketing strategy growing stale? Learn how to use Facebook messaging for that edge you've been looking for. Download FB Messaging 101 and explode your Facebook messaging profits the right way. Start engaging in the conversational age of selling today. If your marketing efforts have grown stale, you may need to try something new in your business. Your potential customers are looking for more from you. Facebook messaging bots are a new marketing strategy that some savvy marketers have tried to use in recent months as Facebook has rolled out some exciting new features for their messenger service. However, many do not know how to manage this new form of marketing. This means many do it badly, which means a lot of wasted time and effort. In this guide, you will learn what Facebook Messenger FM is, why bots are so useful, and how to use bots to engage with your customers effectively for more leads and sales. Here's what you'll learn: what Facebook Messenger is and why should you be using it. 7 ways you can use Facebook Messenger bots to market your business effectively. Different tools to use to create and manage your Facebook messaging bots. In addition, you'll be receiving a step-by-step checklist on getting started and setting up ManyChat to manage your Facebook Messenger bots. Grab instant access to FB Messaging 101 and profit the right way, engaging in the conversational age of selling. We've also added some amazing bonuses to complement your FB Messaging 101 purchase. Check them out below, then click the link below to get access to FB Messaging 101 and all the bonuses. Thank you for visiting and happy and profitable messaging.